Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show real-time network speed on status bar in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings here, then go to notifications and status bar, and here just to click on status bar, and here you will find one option called show notification show real-time network speed. Just to turn on this button so that you will have network speed on the status bar. See, I am turning on this button so that real-time network speed is showing here. Okay, so as of now 0 kbps. Suppose if you are surfing something on a network, that will be showing. See here now 75 kbps has been yes, now 19 kbps is showing. See, suppose if you are clicking this, so for each internet access it will be showing. See, so in this way you can easily show real-time network speed on the status bar, that is in the notification bar in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.